All right, hello. And I'm just kidding. Let's see. All right, hello and welcome to our Leader AI training. Just ended. Adrian was like, make sure you go, you're not still live on Facebook, on our Facebook page. So welcome to our Leader AI training. I'll tell you a bit about Leader AI. It is the perfect place if you have a team. How many of you have a team? Basically, if you have one person, you have a team, right? Sandy, saw your hand raised really quickly. I love seeing you on the trainings that we have here. I saw Peg here as well. We're going to kind of go through the things that you can do with our Teams functionality. Today we have a super special training. Yep. Today we have a super special training. We're going to talk about sharing, not just sharing content, but sharing templates inside of your account and the benefits that that creates for your team members. So we all know that it is very important to be able to duplicate our success and make it easy for our team members, right, to kind of follow our lead. So I'm going to share my screen really quick. So this is inside of an account, but we have a section here called Teams. And we're just going to do a quick overview of Teams. So inside of your team section, this is our demo here. This is Kawan. This inside of this section could be the AI version of you. How many of you would love to see the AI version of yourself? Like there'd be like AI Vicky or AI Sandy or AI Adela. Super cool, right? And your AI is able to answer your team's questions 24/7 in any language, all about your business, all about your company, right? So that I think Justin was mentioning earlier, if you came earlier to our overview presentation, Justin was sharing like, you have those questions at 2 a.m. You have those questions during your morning cup of coffee or whatever, and there's only one of you, but now you can have the AI version of you readily available to chat with your team, which is super cool. Inside of your team section, you're also able to share courses. If that's something that you share with your team, you can see a ton of courses inside of here, and your team members can go through those courses and they're tracking their progress through the courses. So kind of like modules and courses that they can go through at their pace. And if that's something that you want to offer your team, they can do it here inside of the Teams section. There's also team content that you can set up for your team so that your team has information readily available to them, whether that's getting started or the steps that you use to get started. Super simple. And we're going to share with you, or I have something a little bit special to share with you here today, all about sharing even more ways to share content with your team. So let me pull that super special team that I had set up for you guys for today. Very soon, Sandy. No, this is inside of the same product, Nurse Barbie. This is inside of the same product. We have an unlimited plan that allows team leaders to create content inside of their teams. Mm-hmm. So yes, you can have, once you're on our unlimited plan, you can have an unlimited amount of teams that you can create. Uh-huh. I see the question. I'm trying to answer the questions and get to the content here as well. Well, this is our third week, by the way, of our Leader AI training. So last week we got to go in and talk all about recording our AI avatar. We got to do best practices. There are people that have already sent in the recording for their AI avatar. Just by show of hands here, maybe, or put it in the chat. How many of you did the homework? recorded your AI avatar. I see some people laugh, and I saw quite a few. Howard, you did? That's great. Uh-huh. No, you don't have to pay to join the Facebook page. Me, yes. I saw John in there. Kim, awesome. Richard did. Oh no, if you missed the class, it's inside of our Leader AI. And now you need to edit and send it in. Awesome. Okay, don't miss the class. The class is super fun. That was one of my favorite classes. It got wild in that class last week. We have such a fun community of people that we get to share with. So we got to share tips for recording your AI avatar, which is really, really simple, really easy. Anybody can do it. But today for our Leader AI training, inside of the Teams section, what I wanted to do was share with you different ways that you can share content with your team. So I set this up kind of in advance for you all. And the first tab that I put was important websites. So you can share with your team important websites. So let's say you're a part of Nowsite. We have our Nowsite training website that would be important that people can go to. And here, right, if you're a team member, you can just click to open it and it'll take you to that specific website. I have our Getting Started website. I have our Leader AI website here where people get started with Leader AI. So, thanks, Monica. Right? So this is our training website. This is our Leader AI website. So what I want you guys to do is think of the important websites that you would want your team members to have access to right away. Right? So here I just like to include our Getting Started, our training. I added Leader AI. We do something every month. I do September 2024 .now.site. And that's a website that I love to share with everybody. It kind of tells you all the things that are happening in September. And if your team member comes to this website, they can come here and just click open. And they get to see the contents of that website. As the team leader, it's really easy to add these things: text, image, links. You have websites, videos, files, and then we're going to talk about these templates here. Okay? So this is important websites, but what I wanted to share next is website templates or templates that you can share. Now, this is really cool, okay? So sometimes as a team leader, we have a sales process, and in that sales process, maybe you share a sales funnel or an email campaign or a website that you like people to get started from. But sharing that website template with others is not always easy. But with Nowsite, absolutely is. So not just websites, but templates that you've built inside of Nowsite. So here, when I click on this template, you can kind of see it here. It says Get Fit with Coco. I'm going to share with you what this looks like, right? But let's say I wanted my team member or a team member wanted this inside of their account. All they do, right, is they click to add to my account and they give this website a name, right? Maybe it's Coco Get Fit. And they'll give the website a URL, right? And when they click on submit, do you see how quickly that entire website template is added to their account? Even multiple pages, if that website has multiple pages, it goes inside of the team member's account. That team member can take the website as is, say, great, thank you, this is awesome. Or they can edit sections of the website. They can add their own links to that website, right? Maybe they have an affiliate link or something that they lead to, so they can change it. But the person inside of your team gets access to that sales funnel, can download it and use it in literally like just a click, a second. The thing that I'm just going to stop sharing and say, the thing that I really value, I love this, is that that's easy. Do you have to have a special skill set in order to do that as a team member that's just getting started? Not at all. Basically, if your team member can hit the download button or add to my account button, then they can have a full-blown sales funnel that you've created for them in seconds. That's cool. Especially if that's part of your sales process, that person go through. And if they're more advanced, of course, they can customize it and do what they want with it. But very cool option for your team members. Okay, I want to go back into my team section. Okay. Now, okay. So here, right? Now, if someone enters your sales funnel or maybe a website or template that you have, what about sharing an entire email campaign with your team? They don't have to copy paste. They can have an entire email campaign in seconds. So check this out. See, I can click on Get Fit Side Hustle. This is a email campaign. I click to add it to my account. And I want you all to see, like, get really close because this is cool. Okay. The team member, right? This is multiple emails inside of a campaign that's set up on a schedule. Did that take any special, like, even if I don't like technology, if I said to myself, oh my gosh, this tech thing is super difficult. No, it's not. Is it? If you can click a button, you can do this. But let me show you inside of here, right? Headlines, images, all the text, all the buttons that person could change if they wanted to, but they don't have to, right? They're basically set up good to go in just a second by clicking on add to my account. And now that person has the entire email campaign set up for them in seconds that goes along with the website or sales funnel that you created for them. So they have an entire campaign in minutes. And that's really cool, right? I love it too. Okay. So we, I do want to share this inside of here too, because these people are great. But inside of our marketing section, not only can you build great websites and email campaigns, if you're a part of it earlier, Justin was like, we have an SMS builder. We also have marketing services where our team will build the website for you if you want us to. Our team will build that email campaign for you if you want us to, and then you can add it to your team's section, which is really cool. Okay. Are there recordings of the previous training? Yes. Yes. All of them are recorded inside of our LeaderAI group. Okay. Oh, some people in here. Just to be clear. Okay, so there are some questions here. This is Sanella. Sanella asked, just to be clear, our team members don't have to have a Nowsite account in order to be a part of the team. So let me kind of come back to that team. True. So inside of your team, right? They don't have to be a Nowsite. They don't have to have a Nowsite account to be a part of that team. But when they are just a team member, they'll get access to your AI avatar. Okay, they'll get access to the content that you shared, but they would have to have a Nowsite account, right, to download a website template. Peg shaking her head, yes, of course, Cheryl. Thanks, Peg. Peg's got me. Thank you. They would have to have a Nowsite account to download an email campaign. They would have to have a Nowsite account to do the stuff maybe that you saw a bit earlier with Justin, right? Of course, where they would post on social media and such. So, yes. Okay. Will the email campaign have auto responding? So the email campaign is kind of set up that way. So once somebody opts into or comes into your sales funnel or your website, it can be connected and that email can go out immediately. Yes. Yes, Leanne. Okay. We, Japa, I know you're asking about training. We do have every single day at 11 a.m. Eastern time. We have My AI training. It's our basic training. It helps people get started. It's with Elizabeth Larson. She does a great job. It's at 11 a.m. Eastern. It's right here on this link. So most of our trainings, everything is basically on this link. We don't change it. We don't want to confuse ourselves or you. So on the calendar, kind of no matter where the training is, it's typically on this link. Right? Yeah. So courses coming soon for you to build it yourself. If you've qualified to have your AI avatar, then we'll help you build the courses. So awesome. Okay. So I know there's a lot of questions. Like I'm trying to read all the direct messages and the messages at the same time. So it's a lot about how do you get teams, right? Or how do you get your AI avatar? So I'm just going to slow it down and take us there for a minute. Justin did a fantastic job sharing with us all the things that we needed to know about our plan, My AI, right? Very cool. That's where people get started. Most people get started and they're able to do all things social media. Very cool. Okay. And I'll explain it to you maybe here. So with the My AI plan, you can post, you can comment, you can start conversations, you can talk to Eric Worry, like he's your friend. I talk to Eric Worry because I think it's fun to just be like, hey, I can chit chat with him. You can chat with Justin. We have a help me reply feature. You have access to the CRM. You're going to train your own AI. I think it was Pamela who asked about your business or product profiles. You can set that up too. So that's all in our basic My AI $29 plan. Everybody got it? That you could try free for 7 days. Okay. When you upgrade to our marketing plan, you get everything that's in My AI plus. You could build unlimited amounts of websites, sales funnels, landing pages that you want, and you can have as many email campaigns as you want. I think you could send 30,000 emails a month. I'm a great testament to the websites. I have pages upon pages upon pages upon pages of websites in here, so you can build as many as you want. You also, in our marketing plan, get access to our marketing services. And that means that included in your marketing plan cost, no additional cost, you can request to have websites built for you by our marketing services team. You can also request to have email campaigns and more built for you by our marketing services team. So this is marketing, right? All things in My AI and marketing. Unlimited includes all the things in marketing, all the things in My AI, Plus, you get access to our database of prospects, as well as the ability to create a team. Team creation kind of starts here, right? You can create a team and share content with your team. Okay, that includes sharing team content and inviting team members for free. The avatar itself, which everybody's perking up now, okay? Get really close. The way that you can earn the AI avatar of yourself right now, it'll, change in the future, is right now you just refer 5 people and you qualify to get your AI avatar in your team section. This is a way for us to kind of gracefully roll this out to more and more and more people, because if we're like, hey, it's for everybody, it would be like, Peg said, it would be like thousands of people all at once. How will Cheryl Coco ever keep up? But so we're starting with people that refer their 5 people. And when they do, we create the AI avatar of that person and put it inside of their teams. Your AI avatar and training your AI avatar takes seconds. All we ask you basically is, what industry are you in? And then we ask you the name of the company that you represent. After that, everything else is just kind of icing on the cake. Maybe you want your avatar to know about your training regimen or something super special. But other than that, we don't need to know it. And your AI avatar can answer an amazing amount of questions from your team just by sharing those 2 simple things with us. So it takes no time at all to train your avatar. It also is very simple to record your avatar. We did a training on it last week. And basically, if you have about 10 minutes, I say 10 because the video takes 4. If you have about 10 minutes, you can create a great video, great lighting. You can sit or you can stand. We prefer a certain distance from your camera, and you're going to record mostly breathing, right, Brigitte? It's mostly just breathing into the camera. You're like, and maybe like 3 minutes of talking, and that's it. We can create your AI avatar. So really simple and easy. Okay, so I wanted to kind of get that information. There's quite a bit of that info going on. Okay. So we give 5 referrals. You have a referral link inside of your account, right? Okay, that you can track your referrals with. So there's a referral link. If we have a 3 equals free program. So if you refer 5, 3 equals free. 6, you get marketing for free. 9, you get unlimited for free. But we have a 3 equals free program. You can find your referral link right over here that you can share. Okay. We reach out proactively, so we're following you. If you signed up your 5 before September 30th, we reach out proactively to you in order to create your AI avatar. Yeah. If there's questions, you can put them in the chat. Can I show us a quick example of an avatar? Hold up. Yes. I think I have one. I think I have the Kawan account. Kawan wanted to re-record his I don't know if Kawan is here, but Kawan wanted to re-record his avatar. Automotive only in deal. Yeah, you can do that, Michael. Okay. So this is the AI version of Kawan. That's exactly what it looks like in his account. So you probably saw the AI version of Eric. He has a different background. This is Kawan's actual, like, if you've ever seen him in his office, that's his background. And this is the AI version of him. what date did we start to get our 5? The 15th of August. Product. On your website, you do, Tina. So hopefully that helps. Yeah. I'm trying to answer as many. I knew there were going to be a ton of questions, right? Nowsite is available in, I can't remember how many languages. It's a lot, definitely in Spanish, and we're in like 100 and something countries. Yes. You have to be on the unlimited plan to create a team. To be on a team, right, is completely different. But to create one, you must be on the unlimited plan. Yes, Tom, they do. They will 100% count. I would say in probably less than a week, I saw it, Tom H today for courses. Yes. How do I invite someone to my team? Share that. Yes, of reactivation counts. So see the little invite link here? That's how you invite somebody to your team. So if I copy this link, I'm already logged in. So this is, yeah, I'm already logged into this team. So that was crazy. Let me do it from like an incognito window. So this is like join the elite team. It's like the name of the team. This is, and you're invited to become a member. You can like log in if you already are. And now you already have a Nowsite account. And if not, you would sign up. Okay. And you're just going to create an account. Obviously, like just to join a team, it doesn't cost anything. So you can kind of see the sign up here. Does that help? Where was that? Stan? Hey, Stan. There's not a, maybe this is the AI version of me. I'm just kidding. No Cheryl AI yet. That's a lot of Cheryl, right? Um, hopefully that helps. Just making sure I get to the questions. You can ask them here in the chat too, if you'd like. If you did it, oh, hey, Lydia. If you did an avatar at ANMP, then you're already qualified to get the avatar. You can decide if you like the look of that avatar. If not, you can re-record for your avatar. AI has come even a long way just from ANMP, so we don't need a green screen anymore. That's a fan favorite. You can do it from your home in a desk in your area. We give you great instructions, and we can kind of help you along with that. So to join a team is free. You just have to get permission of the person who built that team. If you have Nowsite English, how can I set someone up in Spanish? They're going to go to your referral link. There's a little flag. Everything will change to Spanish. Like just like Brigitte here does German, right? Their account, they're going to choose their language, and then their account will be in Spanish. And they can change the settings in their account anytime for any language that they have. I do a lot of demos with my friends in Germany. They're great. We do them every Thursday together. I really enjoy it. They're a fun group. There's my friend Monica and Brigitte here. They're really fun. And I think I'm learning German. They entertain me and tell me that I am. But a lot of times will switch my account to German for them, which is fun. And plus, I think I'm learning. Yeah. Are the prices different for different countries? No, the same. Okay, just my AI marketing unlimited. All right, everybody kind of clear with what you get in each plan? My AI marketing unlimited. If Lindsay says yes, then I think we're good. Connie just email support. I always, the best thing that you could do to send to a prospect, we just had a brand new video, right? Created from Justin, which is great. I could not wait to get him on like, I was like, I'm not interrupting. We're gonna make you the spotlight. It's gonna be great. And we're gonna cut it out and we're gonna give it to everybody because I love that video. I knew he would do the perfect job. So I'll make sure that you guys have access to that, but also you have great info on your website. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Do I get an upgrade on that special? Eric, you know what I'll be like, yeah, support. I mean, does it, you can't get what you don't ask for. Ask them. Where we find the video of Justin. Okay. So the video of Justin, I'm gonna put it, we have websites, if you're not familiar, there's one September 2024.now.site. So I'll probably put it there. It'll be on our Facebook page. It'll be in our Vimeo channel as well. It's already available on the Facebook page, right? We streamed it live there. Which one? Give it to, not sure. How do I add this extra feature to your account? So if you want Teams, you have to be on the unlimited plan. If you want Teams, you have to be on the unlimited plan. Or you want to create Teams, get on the unlimited plan. Email the support at site to do. If you already have a Nowsite account. If you already have a Nowsite account and you want Teams to create a team, you want to qualify to get your avatar, you want to maybe set up your team early, like get to it. There's so much that you could do. Email support at now.site. Okay. I had to text Lindsay back middle of the presentation. Do you have a section where new people can get info with others? September 2024.now.site. You just use your website link. It's the easiest. Okay. All right. Everybody good. So look, I like to give homework every single week that we do our LeaderAI training because I think it's super fun. The first week we added content, right? The second week, oh my gosh, I think it's 149 to upgrade. Ask support. They can help you out. How do I know what package? Yeah, it's really, they're really great. So then we recorded our AI avatar, which was really fun. Well, if you haven't recorded for your AI avatar, do it. Send it into support. That way, when you qualify or you refer your 5, like I'm ready and good to go. It gives me a head start. I love a good head start. Super fun. Okay. And then this week, try the difference between adding websites and adding templates for your team. If you need help creating a template, use AI. If you need help, or if you need help creating a sales funnel, use AI or ask marketing services. If you need help creating an email campaign, you could do it in one click with us, or you can ask marketing services and they will just do it for you. Share them with your team and see how easy it is for your team to download that content as well, especially if you have a sales process. Our team is great at kind of copying websites. Maybe you built it somewhere else. They're really good at taking that info and building it here so that you don't have to get on the struggle bus, right? And choo-choo your way all the way like, woo, to victory trying to build a website. Just let them do it. Like really, let them do it. How do you add videos to your team page? I think it's which team in your team content section, just click on add and then video, and you can add a link there, or you can upload in the upload file section. Yes. I'm gonna put the biggest yes. Not that I'm yelling, but I'm yelling in excitement. It's Sandy says, yes, if I have sites on Nowsite, can they duplicate that? You can duplicate your own websites on Nowsite. If you have websites outside of Nowsite, they can duplicate them as well. Yes, they do that. Yeah, yeah. It's like one of our most requested services. I built a website here. Okay. Yes, for sure. Inhale it. Yes, yes, they can do it. And I don't even know. It's like 100 and something languages. So, of course they can. All right. Huh. How to download a template in the Teams page. If you're the team leader, you upload a template into the Teams page, right? Okay. So let's say you're the team leader now. You're going to add it. You're going to go to web template. Okay. You've built all of these websites in Nowsite, right? Okay. That's it. Now it's added. Once you've built any website that you've built in Nowsite can now become a template for your entire team to download. Okay. Do the same thing with email campaigns right here. That's the difference between link and template. Yep, you got it. Can you search in Teams? Can I search in Teams to find one? It's your website template. I just kind of go in order. I have a ton of them too. There will be a search feature. Thank you. All right. I'll just sit here and chit chat with you all day because that's what I love to do. And just continue to answer questions. You have to kick me out. But I just want to make sure that everybody has their questions answered, and then we're going to go ahead and end it. Okay. Can you see prospecting? Should I show prospecting really quick? I don't know. We're kind of like on the leader AI. Do I show it? Okay, I'll just do it. It's really great convincing, Dale. It's like it's like one word. All right, sure. Um, I don't know if this account has, we're just gonna go to it. Okay, so in the contact section, this is unlimited customers only. Unlimited customers only. So you can build a team, you can get prospects. You can search by anything that you want to in here. You could tell us about your perfect prospect. This was city state. I did this yesterday for somebody in a demo. You can do some advanced targeting. Age, you can choose your preferred contact method. You can fill in this info here. You can click to get a prospect. And then we get Ron, and we're going to view the contact. And when we view the contact, we get a bunch of info about Ron. I'll take you to it, but we get first name, last name, industry. We get interests and hobbies of Ron. We get Ron's personality analysis. So he's committed, direct, and competitive. We get to learn all about Ron. We get sales tips and tactics about the prospect that goes on for days and days and days on how to discuss certain things. You can find Ron on LinkedIn. We're going to go there because are they actual people? Yes, they actually are. Here. And then we also can use AI to write a message to this person. You can use our cold outreach message, and it'll create a perfect opening line for you to send to that person, or you could just start talking to that person as well. Inside of the prospects, you can add them to lists. You can create email campaigns that auto go out to these people that you add to the list. And that was a very short explanation of because it's cold messaging, right? You don't know that prospect yet. You can absolutely do it with your contacts. Let's see something. LinkedIn. I'm going to check something really quick. If you're on the unlimited plan, yes, you can do it's unlimited prospects. Let me see something. I don't know if that's. Oh, the socks are flying. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So here's what I was doing really quickly. I think it was Suzanne Baker that asks, can we do this with our own contacts? And if this is you, then great. If it's not you, then I'm sorry. But I just went to LinkedIn to try to find you so that I could try it in the contact section. Okay, so let me just share my screen and we'll just do it live. So this is, I don't know if this is really Suzanne Baker that's in the chat. But I tried to match like the picture to the person. But I just tried to find Suzanne here. Is that really you? Okay, great. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of copy Suzanne's LinkedIn profile, and I'm gonna add her to my contacts. I gotta figure out how to spell your name. So I'm just gonna do Suzanne Baker. You know, right? Okay. And I'm gonna just post her social media link in here, LinkedIn. That's all that I know about her, obviously, because we're sitting right here and Suzanne and I don't know each other, but I'm going to try to enhance this contact and see if I get it right. It says it has a personality report on YouTube. So let's see what we got. Okay. All right. View the report. Okay. So it says that you're from Florida, that you do training, team building, entrepreneurship, leadership development, program management, coaching. And I don't know if you have done mailbox power, business growth strategist, where the I don't know, this like education, and I don't know if I'm giving away too much information. It says you're personable, versatile, enthusiastic, good, because I was a little scared because if you weren't, we would be in trouble. Tends to learn quickly and trust intuition. With strong creative and social skills. It says tends to be very fast paced but excitable. Keep it interesting for them by explaining how your product or service is forward thinking. So this is how you can do it with your own people, right? So what Suzanne is most stressed by, speaking, working, some sales tips and tactics, how to book a meeting with her, some of the pain points, what to do when giving the pitch. Make sure that you speak about what other customers love the most about the product, highlight the best aspects of your product through colorful storytelling, follow their imagination, what to do when presenting to her, the problem approach, handling competition, discussing money, and more. So that was kind of me doing it live on Suzanne. So that's how that feature works inside of the unlimited plan. Yeah, that's the unlimited plan. Yes. Share big, inspiring ideas. Try to reduce or avoid structure or bureaucracy. Make hand motions while talking. Awesome. Write in a casual tone. Make it funny. Okay, so that's kind of on the fly. We all just learned a whole bunch about Suzanne that we didn't know. Hopefully that was okay. Great. All right. Yep. Okay. So nice to get to know you, though, Suzanne, without ever talking to you. The homework was make sure that you create a team that has like a template in it. Yes, monthly pay. Awesome. All right. Patrice, I'm going to take this one question, then I really got to get out. No? He said, never mind. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. If you're part of our LeaderAI training, make sure that you let me know that you did your homework. Make sure that you let me know that you recorded your AI avatar at night. You know, I hang out. I watch all the AI avatar videos for fun. I love to see the work that you guys do. Oh, ask to unmute. My bad. Sorry. Ask to unmute. Try it now.
Okay, there we go. I was trying to talk. Just curious, is there a September 2024 .now.site?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you very much.
Yeah. The homework is create at High Peg. The homework is to create content that has templates in it, right? sales funnel, website that your team could download, email campaigns. Can't do it, ask marketing services to do it for you. Okay. That's the fun part, right? If you don't want to, just ask them to do it. It's included in your plan. All right. Thank you. Love to you guys. All right. This is super fun. Hopefully I answered all of your questions. Justin did an amazing job. I'll make sure to get that overview on September 2024.now.site that Patrice was concerned about. I'll get it on there for you guys as well. If you have questions, we have amazing support at now.site. If you have questions for me, I'm just Cheryl at now.site, and I'm happy to help. Okay. Yes. This one will be in our LeaderAI training group. Okay. Thank you guys so much. You're the best. This is super fun. I love hanging out with you guys. It's my favorite days of the week. All right. I'll see you guys in Germany soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.